When you have gestational diabetes, your goal is to get all the nutrition both you and your baby need while avoiding damaging spikes in blood sugar. In order to get enough nutrition while not eating too much carbohydrate at one time, you need to eat 3 meals and 2 to 3 snacks per day, spaced about 2 to 3 hours apart. Don't skip meals or snacks. Each meal and snack needs to contain some carbohydrate so that you will be able to obtain the necessary carbohydrate for proper development of your baby, but without too much carb at any one time to avoid blood sugar spikes. Meals often need to contain 30 or 45 grams of carbohydrate, and snacks 15 to 20 grams of carbohydrate, but consult with your dietitian or physician for the specific numbers that are right for you. Choose healthy carbohydrate foods like whole fruit, whole grains, beans, and low-fat dairy, both because they tend to be more slowly absorbed and because they offer more of the nutrients needed to support a healthy pregnancy. Every single meal and snack must also contain a good source of protein. This is important because protein helps to slow down the absorption of carbohydrate and avoid blood sugar spikes. Good sources of protein include eggs, cheese, fish, beef, chicken, turkey, tofu, nuts, and almond or peanut butter. It's important to consume vegetables at meals because they will help to fill you up so you don't consume too much carbohydrate, and also because they're good sources of fiber. Their fiber will help to slow down the absorption of the carbohydrate in the meal so that blood sugar won't spike as much. It's best to avoid concentrated sweets most of the time, as these spike blood sugars quickly. These include candies, desserts, and sweetened beverages. While artificial sweeteners can allow us to enjoy sweetness without raising blood sugars, it may be prudent to limit the amount of these chemicals that you consume. Saccharin is not recommended during pregnancy. Aside from dietary changes meant to manage blood sugars, women with gestational diabetes also need to remember to follow general pregnancy nutrition guidelines. Avoid foods such as unpasteurized cheeses, deli meats, raw or undercooked fish or meats, and smoked salmon. Limit caffeine and avoid alcohol. Eat a balanced diet, take prenatal vitamins, and consume 6 to 8 cups of water per day. Do 1 hour post-meal blood sugar testing to see if you're meeting the goals set out for you by your physician, and consult with your dietitian or physician if you're not meeting your goals to determine if there are other dietary changes which might benefit you. Physical activity, medication, and insulin are all options for pregnant women who are unable to meet the blood sugar guidelines through dietary changes alone.